This is what a women's worship night sounds like without a trending sound. Come with me.
Into that I speak Jesus, and I want to talk about that from the standpoint of declarations tonight. And so I want you to think back to the last time that you really declared something, whether it was over your life or you're declaring it to another person. I want you to think back to the last time.
I don't know where you are. Wait. Oh, it's going.
This is what it feels like to be loved by the people that are around you and who are friends with you. And it just feels amazing.